are you? Officer Mania, Middletown Police. Just so you know about body camera on this recording.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, there's the registration too if you have it.
Oh. I have no idea where it is. It's like a kid car. Let's find it.
401. I'm out with
Whose car is it?
That's mine. Sorry.
Well, I mean, it's not registered to you though, right?
Oh, yeah, no, it's my father.
Okay.
Javon.
Gotcha. Alright, yeah, you can keep looking for it. Just the reason I'm stopping you, you're kind of swerving back there. I mean, you went into the other lane, and then I had my lights on for about, like, a minute, and you weren't stopping.
Oh, I'm just going home. I work. I went for a work event.
Where'd you go for work?
We went to Charlie's and Mooncock, and then I went to Gabriella's
Okay.
a little bit, and I'm going home. My kids are at my mom's, and I'm just going home, and I'm going to go to work tomorrow.
Gotcha. Is there any reason that you didn't pull over right away when I had the lights on?
I didn't see until I looked up, and then I saw your lights, and then I pulled over.
All right. Were you on your phone or something? Or?
No, I'm literally, my house is right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I live.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
When I went out for dinner, I had a glass of wine.
Okay.
With my filet mignon.
Okay. Nothing at Gabriella's?
No. I just went with my coworker. We went to just hang out, and I'm going home because I have work tomorrow.
Okay.
I have to take my kids to.
Gotcha. Who's this card from?
That's my brother.
Your brother? Okay. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Just give me a second.
All
Also, just make sure you put your seatbelt on too. You don't have your seatbelt on.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
No, not really, but she was like kind of like swerving now, like when I was behind her, and then I literally had my lights on from probably back by like right when you come over the hill, like at Apple Farm, and then like she finally stopped here. Yeah, she's like, I didn't see the lights. I'm like, I did not see these lights. Let me see what's going on with her real quick. Hey, I'm good. Go out. I don't see anything. That's the thing. We'll see inside. Let me just check her license and stuff real quick. Hey, how are you? Where'd you say you're coming from again?
Gabriella.
Oh, Gabriella's?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What are you doing over there?
So I went for a work event at Charlie's and Mooncock, and then me and my coworker were like, okay, let's go to Gabriella's for a little bit.
Gotcha.
My kids are at my mom's.
Okay.
And I'm just going home because I have work.
Night out. Okay, I got you. I get you. What do you do for work?
I just started actually. Yeah, so we went out because somebody at work retired.
Okay.
So I'm like taking her position. So
Okay. How do you like it over there?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a single mom. I just got divorced.
Alright. Sorry to hear that.
No.
Well,
So I'm doing, I feel like, I'm just having I'm just going home.
No, I
have
get
to
you.
go to sleep, and I gotta wake up to go to work tomorrow.
Okay, I got you. Where do you live? Okay. Alright. Alright.
How are you?
Doing alright, not too bad. About to get off work, so that's good.
Yeah.
I feel like you guys my brother's a cop, so I feel like you guys like to like get together and then like I don't know.
Well, there's just a lot of us out here at the moment, just because we're on shift change.
Oh.
So midnights are just getting on the road, evenings is getting off. So we're all we got some downtime right now, so that's why there's a lot of us out here right now. Yeah.
What where are you from?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
I'm from like up north,
Oh, up
like
north.
Woodbridge area.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Got to be up early for work tomorrow or not?
I have to get my kids from my mom.
Okay.
Like, by like 6.
Gotcha.
I just get up early anyway.
Yeah.
219 Mama Dad.
It's not too bad though. So you said you just started working for that company?
Yeah. 73960, okay? Actually, after my holiday, I'm Muslim, so like, Ramadan,
Okay.
they gave me my holiday, and then I started April 10th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I really like it, yeah.
Alright, so you're going on about a month?
Yeah.
County 31 fighting for me on the back for 380.
What you don't realize when you're like unemployed, like,
Yeah.
you feel like you're like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
So like, once I found the job, I was really happy.
Okay. You were unemployed for a little bit?
I was unemployed for like 5 months.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
What were you doing before that?
I worked for an EMS company.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I'm working for them.
Okay.
They laid me off for the short house.
Oh, yeah?
So I was there like years.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry to hear that.
But, new opportunities.
Yeah. 100%.
I just got divorced a year ago, so like I said, like, I'm good.
Okay.
Were you able to find that registration form?
Oh, no, I didn't.
State sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always put it in like a black. I have it all.
Okay.
I'm here.
All right, man. So just based on the way you were driving and where you told me you were coming from, I just want to check and make sure you're going to drive real quick. I just want to check your eyes.
I have court tomorrow for field court.
For what?
Like, my ex is in child support.
Okay.
And I'm fighting a cross motion.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, that has nothing to do with
it
liable.
has nothing to do with this, but I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah, no, I just want to check your eyes real quick to make sure you're, so I'm going to have you step out and just stand over here real quick. And I'm going to check your eyes and then,
Wait, are you serious? Like, okay.
just to the front of the car over here.
Okay.
Yeah, just, if you just stand right up here.
Yeah.
And, are you comfortable in those shoes? I'm not making you walk at all, so are you kind of standing in those shoes? Okay. All right. All right. So, do you have any issues with your eyes at all?
I have prescription. Yeah.
You wear contacts, glasses?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are you wearing them now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what I need to do is just, can you see the tip of this pen?
Yeah.
All right. Just keep your head still and just follow the tip of your, just keep your hands at your sides. Just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and don't move your head at all. Okay? Understand? You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Almost done. Alright, and just follow it straight up, okay? Just keep your chin down, alright? Okay. So, how do you pronounce your first name?
Asma.
Asma? Okay. Be honest with me, how much did you really have to drink tonight?
I had 2 glasses of wine at Charlie's, and then I came to Gabriella's, and they were giving like everybody like the birthday woo, and then they gave everybody like a champagne. I had a sip, and I sat there the whole time. My friend was talking to somebody, and I sat there the whole time, and then I left.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, your eyes are telling me a little bit different that you had more than 2 glasses of wine. All right.
I really didn't.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you do 2 more tests. All right. We're gonna go into this parking lot because it's flat over there. If you want to take your shoes off, you can. If it's easier for you to walk
it's
it.
disgusting. I don't want
Okay. Do you have other shoes in your car that aren't
Yeah,
heels?
I have flats.
Okay. All right. Where are they? Yeah. Just go
right
on
in the front.
Yeah. Just go on the side of the car. This side, man.
No, they're on like my
Okay.
side.
If you could reach over, just I don't want you standing in the middle of the highway here.
I don't want to touch them. Can I just slip them on?
You don't want to touch them.
Yeah, because I have germophobia. Can I just slip them?
Do you want me to grab them out of the car?
Yeah,
for
you
wanna...
can go.
Okay, just stand.
They're,
Just stand over here on the side. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Where are they? In the back or the front?
No, they're on the front by my side.
On
My
the,
side.
Yeah, on the floor. Alright, we're just going to
grab the heels and put them back in your car.
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, we're just going to go right next to where these cars are over here. It's just 2 tests I need you to do real quick, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we're going to use this line right here so you can stand right here. Stand facing me.
Okay.
And take a couple steps back.
Okay.
Alright? So, what I'm going to do is place your left foot on the line, alright? And place your right foot in front of your left, alright? And your hands down your sides, and just stay just like that while I explain the test, okay? Don't just stay in that position. Don't do anything until I tell you to do otherwise. All right, you understand? Just touch heel to toe. All right, just like that with your hands at your sides, and just stay just like that. All right. So for this test, I'm going to have you take 9 steps down this line. All right. On every step, I want you to touch heel to toe, and you're going to count each step out loud. All right. You're also going to keep your hands down at your sides. So when you get to your 9th step, you're going to turn around by keeping your front foot on the line, and you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around and go 9 steps back. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So if this is the line right here, you're going to have your left foot on the line, right foot in front of it. You're going to do 1, 2, 3. When you get to the 9th step, you're going to keep this front foot on the line. Okay, you listen to me. You don't have to look at him. All right, just listen to me. All right, you're going to keep that foot on the line, then you're going to turn around just like this. Take a couple steps to turn around, and then 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, do you need me to explain it again, or you got it? Well, I want you to be sure that you got it before you start, so is there any questions at all? No. Oh, no questions? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you don't seem sure.
No, I'm fine.
I know you're saying you're fine, but I need to do the test, okay? Do you understand the test? Okay, all right. So if you understand the test, you can begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Okay. All right, so this next test I'm going to have you do is you're going to stand with your, you can step towards me. All right, you're going to stand with your feet together, all right, and hands down at your sides. All right, when I tell you to, you're going to pick one leg of your choice. It could be your left or your right.
Okay.
You're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground with your foot pointed forward, just like that.
Okay.
All right, you're going to look down at your foot, and you're going to count like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Oh.
All right, don't start until I tell you to do. Yeah. Thanks. You understand the test?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you can begin.
Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Just pick your foot up a little higher.
2005, 2006, 2007, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Should I keep going?
Yep, until I tell you to stop.
What's not 1023? What's 1024? 1025?
All right, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
All right. So based off what I'm seeing, I feel like you are under the influence. Okay. All right.
Hey, I'm really not.
So what we're gonna do is I am gonna have to place you under arrest. You're gonna come inside. We're gonna fill out some paperwork, and then you're gonna need someone to pick you up. All right. All right.
I'm not.
So for now, just do me a favor. Just go ahead, put your hands behind your back. All right. Just place your palms outwards. All right. Do you have anything in your pockets at all that I should know about? Okay. All right. You can come right back this way. Do you have someone that could pick you up from the...
Nope, I don't.
No one at all?
No, I don't.
Okay. So if you don't have anyone to pick you up, you're going to have to stay there for 12 hours, just so you know. So just come right back to this car back here. Just take a seat right there.
Wait, I can't even get on. This hurts.
Just slide in a little bit. I'm stall.